Adding a contact form using Hostinger's website builder is a great way to encourage user interaction. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open your Hostinger website builder. Step 2. To add a contact form element, go to the Add Element panel on the left side and expand it.
Step 3. Locate the contact form element within this panel. Step 4. Drag and drop the contact form element anywhere you want it on your page. Alternatively, for a contact form section, click Add Section, found on the horizontal border of any section.
From the left menu, choose Contact Form. Select your preferred section template on the right and click on it to insert a contact form section into your page. Step 5. Click on the contact form element or section to view options like Edit, Duplicate, Change Visibility, Delete, or Resize. Step 6. Click Edit Form to open its settings.
Rename the form, especially useful if you have multiple forms. Specify an email address to receive notifications of new submissions. View form submissions. Add, edit, or remove fields, change their display order, specify required fields, and choose from field types like short answer, paragraph, single choice, or multiple choice. Rename the Submit button, change its position, and specify post-submission actions like displaying a thank you message or redirecting to another page.
With these steps, you can easily create and customize contact forms on your Hostinger website, making it more interactive and user-friendly.